This video deals with two wireless devices most people have. It's a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse. These are both on the off position. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the Acousticom 2. This is one of my favorite meters, very simple to use. There's only one button. We're going to turn that on now. And that simple button is basically turns it on, and then if you press it again, we actually get sound. So you can hear the sound, easy to detect. We're going to turn the sound off so you can hear me better, and we're going to turn the keyboard on. So the keyboard has come on now, and we're going to simulate just typing on the keyboard. So as you type on the keyboard, you can see it goes all the way up to 1.0. The 1.0 is 5 times the safe level. Your hands are right here, your body's right here, not a good deal. So we recommend that instead of using a wireless keyboard, you actually get a hardwired keyboard. So let's take a look at the mouse now. We're going to turn the keyboard off so we don't interfere. And with the mouse, we're going to turn this on. So we turned it on. So we're going to simulate just rolling it around. As you can see, it's even worse. It's up to actually 3. Which is actually 15 times the safe level. Again, your hand's right here, your body's very close. So again, something we would recommend with any device that you get these hardwired. Thank you.